What's up everyone, Josh Quinones here, and so is the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And in this video, we're gonna take a quick look at the color options. Now, as a quick reminder, pre-orders are now live, and I will have a link down in the description below or pinned comment so you can be sure to pre-order one of these beautiful colors for yourself. So starting off with one of their new colors here, and one of my favorites, Cobalt Violet. Now this color is absolutely beautiful, and it actually goes around the entire device, not just in the back. It's got a nice matte frosted finish in the back, and the cool thing is it will look a bit different at times depending on the lighting you are holding it under, but it definitely looks really nice, and I wouldn't mind using this without a case just to show it off. Now next up is another really nice one and another favorite of mine, and that is Sky Blue. Now this color also has a nice matte frosted finish in the back, and it looks really nice when you hold it up to the light. But this color also wraps all the way around the S26 Ultra and not just in the back. And blue is actually my favorite color, so I actually wouldn't mind carrying this around every day. It looks really nice. Now if you want something a little bit more stealthy and sexy, then black is the way to go. I think the S26 Ultra looks so sexy and so good in this color. It looks really good. And again, just like the others, it's got a nice matte frosted finish in the back, and the black wraps all the way around the device, the back, sides, top, and bottom. And you can't really go wrong with this matte black. It definitely has a nice premium look to it. But if you want something maybe a little bit more soft and elegant, then this white is definitely the way to go. It still gives a nice premium look with the matte frosted back, but instead of the white wrapping all the way around, the sides, top, and bottom actually have more of a matte silver color to them, even though I know it is the aluminum frame. But I gotta say, this white looks absolutely beautiful on the S26 Ultra here. So I mean, honestly, you can't really go wrong with any of these colors. No matter which one you get, you're going to have a beautiful looking device. Now, there are two online exclusives, Silver Shadow and Pink Gold, which I personally did not get a chance to see, but those options will be there when you go to pre-order your device. So if you see them and think they look nice on the website, then maybe you should go for one of the online exclusive colors. Again, I will have a pre-order link down in the description below or pinned comment. If you do pick up a new Galaxy S26 Ultra for yourself, let me know down in the comments below what color you chose for yourself. And just based off of what I've shown here in the video, which color do you find to be your favorite? Let me know. Thanks so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.